Hi Dressio Cuties! Today we're going to draw a bucket of trick-or-treat candy. So let's get started. To draw this bucket of candy, we're going to first start by drawing a wide curve for the top of the bucket. So I'm going to start right here and just going to go across, slight curve. About that much. And then I'm going to bring down 2 angle lines for the sides. So have fun with this part. Doesn't matter how big or small you want to make your bucket, how wide or thin, it's all up to you. So I'm just going to go slowly on both sides so it's a little bit easier for me to gauge and make it a little bit more even. And say about right there, I'll stop and then I'm going to connect it for the bottom. There, got my bucket in, and then from there I'm going to come to the top right here and I'm just going to come to the edge and draw 2 curves for the handle. So I want to bring my handles in first so that I don't get too carried away with my candy and I won't have enough space for the handle. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. There. Okay, so then from there let's draw the candy first before we bring it to life. Okay, so now go ahead and just fill in whatever kind of candy you like. Start with the foreground first. So let's say here, I'll come about right here and draw my first piece. So I hope this drawing inspires you to come up with your own bucket of candy filled with whatever your favorite kind of trick-or-treat candy is. So let's see here, maybe come over here, maybe for a little chocolate bar. Maybe back here, got a big lollipop. It's kind of in the background, maybe another piece of candy here. And let's see here. Over here, I'll add a big lollipop. So this is going to be my biggest piece right here. So I'll come to the center and just twirl. And as I get to the edge, I'm just going to tuck it in. And then I'm going to angle a stick right here. And let's see, let's keep going. Maybe a candy corn right here. A giant candy corn. Just want to fill in this space. Let's see here, maybe a round piece of candy right here. Pop out a sugar stick maybe. And let's see here, maybe one more piece right here. Just pop it out. And let's see here. I think that's about it for now. Now let's go back and draw the handle. So I'm going to finish off this handle right here. Okay, so I'm going to imagine going overlapping, so about right here, towards the top, and bring it down, and so let's thicken this handle. And we can add another sugar stick right here, so let's stick it to the back. to give it some variation. Yeah, another curve right there, so you can just add a little bit more colors. Tuck in some pieces here and there. And that's pretty much it for this candy, so then now let's bring it to life. I'm going to come here and decorate. I'm just going to give it a little edge on the top, so I'm going to zigzag across. So just decorate your basket however you like, or bucket. And let's see, at the bottom I'll add another edge, a smooth one. And now to finally bring it to life, I'm going to come in this area and give it 2 big circles for the eyes. So same thing on this side. There, now let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm coming in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. I went a little too low right there. I'm gonna have to fix that. 2 small circles and a curve at the bottom. Okay, this one's better. There, and lines at the bottom. Okay, so I have the eyes in. Let's come to the top. I'm just going to draw 2 curves right on top of the eye. And then for the mouth, I'm going to give it a kind of like an oval just to make it extra Halloweenish. We go, oh! You can add whatever kind of mouth you want, but I thought that would be pretty cute. And then the hands right here, you can make them come out. Add a little thumb and some fingers. And same thing on this side. There. And I think that is pretty much it for this cute bucket of trick-or-treat candy. Hope you guys love how it turned out and it inspires you to draw your own little bucket. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.